Okay, get some demolition done over here, please. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Okay, get some demolition. Thank you. Can I get some demolition done? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. That's it? You're destroying it? Woo! Okay, get some demolition done over here, please. Whoa! Can I get some demolition done? Thank you! You wanna knock that down? How many can I get up before you knock it down? 4. Let's try it again. Let me see. Uh-oh, you're distracted. I think I can get them all now. Oh, can I get some demolition over here, please? I need that knocked down. Thank you. Thank you. Olivia, can you knock this down for me, please? Thank you. Are you saying you're welcome? Olivia, can you knock this down for me, please, honey? Can you knock that down for me? Oh, can you knock that down for me? You do it with such passion. Oh. Can 2 stand? Is that allowed? Can we have 2 stand? No demolition on 2? Anything above 3? Oh, no, that's it, 2. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now let's try to be nice. Let's try to be nice. No way. No way. No way. Olivia, come here. Be nice. Be nice. Hi. Olivia, come here. I just need 1. I don't need you to knock it down. Just that 1. Just that 1. Don't knock it down. Just 1.